Hi everyone. My name is Amit, and today I'll be explaining you how to download VS Studio Code in our Windows system. Let's go to our screen. I'll just open the web browser and here I'll type here VS Studio Code download. VS Code download. Okay. So we'll just go to the first link that came up. Okay. So the next step is we need to click here. And once we click here the installer will open. So I have already done that. Yeah, so this is the VS Studio Code installer. We'll have to just double click on it, just accept the agreement, just click on next. This point is very important, just we have to keep this tick, just next and install. As I have already installed the Visual Studio Code, I won't be installing it again. It's just a basic simple step. You just need to click on install. Okay, I just cancel and I just show you how VS Studio looks and how we can open it. Just go to your start bar and just click on Visual Studio Code and allow some time to open up. Okay, so it is open. The next step is we need to create a folder. Okay, we need to create a folder. In this folder, I have created. We can create a new folder here in our desktop saying Python. Okay, okay, select folder. It is saying that all my general. Actually, I have already opened the basics Python Jupyter notebook, so no worries. Don't save. Okay, so our Python folder is open. Now we'll just click on this and here we'll write hello world.py. We'll just give this name hello.py. Py is the extension for Python. Okay, so I'll just click OK. Okay, so our Python is open. Also, this is Python is already installed in my system. Okay, if you're really new, we have to go to the extension and here we have to type Python and just we have to go to the second option. Since it is already installed in my system, it is not showing the install option. When you install VS Studio Code for the first time, it will show you the option of installation. You just have to click and it will take a few seconds and it will be installed. So we'll just go back to our folder, the file and the folder. So here we can generate code. Print hello. Okay, we'll just save it. It is saved and we'll just run the Python file. Hooray! So the hello world has came. So basically this was the short demo of how I installed VS Studio Code and I'll be making more videos on it. So thank you.